Put lime on beetroot. Pharmacies won't never tell you the secret. Grate 1 raw beetroot, throw it in a bowl, squeeze in half a lime, add a little honey, and mix that bitch up. Take 1 or 2 spoonfuls a day. This combo cleans your blood, boosts circulation, kills fatigue, and hits your immune system like a damn upgrade. Your liver works better. Your skin looks brighter. Hit that follow and comment health.
Ehena ke sanibonani. Kulabo abafuna ukuklina izibeletho, kunabo abafuna ukuthola abantwana, ma ladies abomama, abafuna ukuklina isibeletho, thatha ke nako. Uzothatha ke ihlamvu eli1, uyavuka uyahlafuna ekuseni, uyagwinya amanzi akhona. Angithi uyabona ukuthi kuyaphuma amanzi la. Ehena ke yenza kanjalo. Wena ufuna ukuthola abantwana, wena ufuna ukuklina isibeletho. Danko.
Welcome my good people. Welcome to a journey around the world. In this video, you'll discover a variety of natural healing methods and home remedies shared by people from different cultures and backgrounds. From ancient traditions to simple everyday practices, these remedies reflect the wisdom passed down through generations. So sit back, explore and enjoy learning how nature has been used to support healing in different parts of the world. So let's get into it. Before I forget, Mtomnyama, Mtakwethu, Mfo, Hayibo, le video le yakho mfowethu man. Angazi ukuthi uhlushwa yini if izinto zakho azikhambeli kahle ngaphambi kokuthi uye enyangeni or esangomeni. Awuzame nawo amakhombo ngenzeka akusize. Mina ngeke ngiphike mina khona engwazamile. Ngiyabona umehluko empilweni yami bafethu. So and I'm pretty sure that we all read the viewers discretion. You try this at your own risk bafethu. So without further ado bafethu, let's get into it. Ungadideki mntwana kwethu, don't get it twisted. You are watching Heal Care, your go-to source for international updates, real life stories with the pinch of umgosi. How to take your power back spiritually. Take a soul from your shadow. Add sea salt. Add water to bath. Bath while talking positive things. No soap, no towel.
Mangaphandle kokuthi umuntu ohlushwa isimo sendukwinduku yakho ayifuna ukusebenza kahle, ayifuna ukufunction, thola amakhasi kabanana mhlawumbe abe u3 noma abe u4 ubese uthola no ginger kuqobe konke and then ubese uyakupheka ukubilise kubile. Mase kubilile uzobese uyakhipha ke emanzini bese ufaka ispoon soju uzobese uyaphuza kuzo.
For sinuses, nayi plaque. Take purple seeds, dry them on the sun. Chew 1 teaspoon every day up until you feel better. Thatha intanga zikaphopho uziwomise uzihlafu.
Uma unomntwana oshesha ukukhohlwa esikoleni, menzele i-rosemary tea.
Cinnamon powder. Burning it on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. You can talk while it burns. Burning cinnamon helps to attract money luck, stops fighting in relationship, bring back eggs, make partner love you, people get attracted to you, opens job opportunities.
Are you suffering from swollen feet, painful feet? You can use this medicine. You just need to boil it. Just boil it, add a little bit of salt, a handful of salt, and then you can wash your bayede. Lona unsangu abanye bathi unsangwane wona wonke uyasikhipha isichitho noma uwodwa nje ugqume ngawo noma ungangaphalaza ngawo ugqume ngawo sephuma nya isichitho ube muhle. Ufuna wazi isichitho yinto echitha iprogress, ichitha umshado, ichitha iharmony, ichitha ipeace, ichitha yonke into that ekufanele ikuthathe kube kwesinye stage. Isichitho yiko isikhathi sikhuluma ngesichitho njalo. Yani ma-distributors ukhona umsanka oshaya isichitho. Kulaba abahlezi becomplaina about i-back pain, thola lobu butshani lobu, abanye bathi umnyankomo, uyabuthatha nje ubuwashe kahle, ubupheke, ubilise, uphuze ekuseni, uphuze ntambama.
Ehena-ke sanibonani, kulaba abafuna ukuklina izibeletho, kunabo abafuna ukuthola abantwana, ma-ladies abomama, abafuna ukuklina isibeletho. Thatha-ke nako, uzothatha-ke ihlamvu eliyi-1, uyavuka uyahlafuna ekuseni, uyagwinya amanzi akhona. Angithi uyabona ukuthi kuyaphuma amanzi la. Ehena-ke yenza kanjalo, wena ofuna ukuthola abantwana, wena ofuna ukuklina isibeletho. Danko.
Akuthole le plant isikhathi sezulu singakapheli. Kahle kahle yona inguzifo zonke. From ama-roots akhona, iflower lakhona uyabona maseliwomile ukuthi linjani kanye namahlamvu akhona. Uyibhekisise kakuhle. Iyasebenza kakhulu for izinso, umuntu olezinso ezibuhlungu kanye lesibindi. Iyasiza kakhulu futhi kulabo abale eczema. Konke kuyasebenza khona lokho, ukubhoyile nje ukuphuze njengetiye. Ukuphuze kufudumala ekuseni.
Yabona le combo le akumelanga iviki iphele ungayenzanga. Le combo le aqedile.
Hi guys, mawunomuntu onesifo sokuwa nawo plug, thela amanzi esitsheni senja, mayinganathi injitshiye la amanzi uyathatha umnathise lowo muntu. Kumbe singamvuka isifo sokuwa, amathelana akhipha ngesikhathi simvukile, uyathatha iphisi yenyama umsule lawo mathe uphosele inja. Uthatha igobolondo guys, lokho komnenke
Imbali lena iyatholakala kakhulu lapho kunamadwala khona. Imbali le yasiza kakhulu kulabana abaphupha belele nomuntu wesilisa noma wesifazana. Kanti ke ulaliswa nesilwane, uyigxobagxobe ubese uyihlanganisa namanzi ugeze ungenansipho ngaphandle komuzi.
Mawunenkinga yeqolo elibuhlungu, umzimba wonke nje ohlala ubuhlungu namathambo, thola imbuya, uthathe lokho okuphezulu ama-seeds, ufake amahlamvu nje embuya maybe ayi 2-3, ubhoyile, ufake ku-2 litha, uphuze ekuseni ungakadli.
Morning. Vukani senze isigezo, vukani sibisele isichitho kubanikazi. Sikhiphe konke ukubo ukungcola okungahlambulukanga. Usigeze uhlambuluke, sike sihlambuluke. Bese sithi-ke masingena kumakhombo ezinhlanhla sesihlambulukile. Vukani senze isigezo. So uzodinga umanyazini, nango umanyazini lo abamaziyo umanyazini lo nomadubula wakho, bese udinga nespirit sakho. Bese udinga nesawudo lakho lamatshe. Remember lana ugeza uyakhuluma before ugeze. Bese ngeke ngavula umanyazini wami usichithekela phakathi emanzini, kusho ukuthi angeke ngisamfaka kakhulu. Remember umanyazini akafuni umfake kakhulu, kumele ufake nje ngesilinganiso sakho nawe yakusikala, ufake kancane umanyazini. Then bese ngiyophosela itswayi lami, bese ngiyothela umadubula wami phakathi. Bese ngiyothela ispirit sami. Ikhombo yakho uzoyikhulumisa okanye uyikhulekele uyinikeze amandla. Usho ukuthi ikhombo yakho ufuna ukuthi kusebenzele kanjani. Umanyazini ngishilo ngathi kancane, kwasebenzisa ibheki spoon ma ukwanisa sengifakile wami. Bese kuyahlanganisa ikhombo yami, uyayicelela nje ikhombo yakho, usho ukuthi ufuna ukuthi zonke izichitho abakukadla ngazo zibuyele back to the sender, uhlambuluke, kuphume konke imimoya yonke emibi abayilandisela kuwena bayibele back to the sender. Yonke into embi abakufisela kubi abakukadla ngemithi, imithi yabo mayibele egadla bona back abanikazi. Mawuqeda lapho bese uyageza, uyahlambuluka. Ikhombo ongayenza for 3 days, uhlanganisa, uvuka osigezela, uzinxusela inhlanhla zakho, ucela inhlanhla zakho kubana mazivuleke, amathunzi wonke avala inhlanhla yakho aphume kuwena. Danko. Ehena-ke nasi i-ritual ongalala uyenzile. I-ritual le ngeyabantu abafuna ukuqhaqha izinto empilweni, ukuvula impilo zabo, right? Uzothola i-onion. Angithi yabona mina ngiphethe i-onion. Thola i-onion bese uthola isawudo, ungasebenzisa i-fine salt, i-right. Bese uyakhatha i-onion yakho in half. So ukuthi uzosika i-onion yakho phakathi la. Mase uyisikile i-onion yakho, uzosprinkler i-salt. Mawusu sprinkle i-salt, thatha le onion yakho, you rub inyawo zakho, uhlikihle inyawo zakho, ukhuluma ngaphansi kwenyawo, uhlikihle phakathi kwezandla. Usisho ukuthi ngicela ukuthi into zami zivuleke, ngicela ukuthi impilo yami ikhanye, ngicela kuvuleke yonke into empilweni yami, ngikhakha konke okubotshiweyo, konke okuvala impilo yami kuqhaqheke, bese impilo yami iyavuleka. Uyabe ukhuluma kanjalo, uhlikihle ngaphansi kwenyawo, uhlikihle phakathi kwezandla. Mawuqeda uzothatha i-onion yakho, ungayiphosela phandle or ungayiphosela e-dustbin, ma i-dustbin ikhona eduze, okanye ungayiphosela ebhaketeni lelo olala uchamela kilo. Usho ukuthi konke okuvala impumelelo yami ngicela ukuthi kuphume kimi, ngicela ukuthi kuphume njenganamhlanje. Lapho kuvaleke khona empilweni yami ngicela ukuthi
Hi
uqhaqheke.
guys, mawunesichitho sangaphakathi or igazi lakho lingcolile na iplug, fresh milk, FG and then salt. Uyathatha ikhaphu ye-warm milk, ufake ihalf ye-teaspoon ye-FG ne-salt. Then bese uyanatha ekuseni ungakadli, because kungakuthola ungcolile ngaphakathi sekungakuklina ukuhambisa isisu.
Possible.
Mkhuluma simula. Leli kelo lebanana ke ulithola selomileko linje. Akho uligaye ulishise. Bese uthola amasimba lawo imbuzi. Uhlanganise nalo. Bese angifuna ukukhuluma ngeminye imithi engazoyithola noma ezonispendela imali. Ngifuna unenzela nje into echeap. Uthola ikelo leli le banana, bese uthola amasimba nawe embuzi, bese ufaka kuvasilina, ucobisa lengane le enelonda nje ezincane noma irash noma yini ya bese ingane yakho izoba right. Into cheap leyo ke engadigi chemist.
If you learned something new or enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which remedies stood out for you or what would you like to see next. Take care of yourself, stay curious, and we'll see you on the next one. Bafethu ningasabi kuzama any combo bafethu, uyazi ukuthi wena uhlushwa yini, yabo. You can use any nje because yonke into lezi mawungizibheka most of them izinto ezikhona nasendlini, yabo. If azikho endlini is pretty affordable mfethu, ungayihlanganisa leyo 30 rand eziphume leyo combo nyana ushaya, yabona. But mina ngikhulume la, okay, for mina engayisebenzisa singangihlebela ke, mina engayisebenzisa ile spirit konje yini ispirit ne onion ngafutha ngazo, yabo, ngoba khona into vele beyisola inhlupha since yangilimaza from 9 years old, you know, that's almost like 3 decades now mfethu, yabona, since ngiyenzile and ngicede ukuyenza malangeni fana yavela ihlasela lento leyo, ngiyayizwa namanje ukuthi azini yaphuma vele emzimbeni wami, yabona. But angithi mina 100% nawe ngakusebenzela mina. I'm just saying it A1 ngizamile and yiyo le ngizamile spirit ne-onion, yabona. But anyway bafethu, I hope you enjoyed the show. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel bafethu. Aning support bafethu man. Awe.